What's up, YouTube? It's Jordan Moyer. I'm back with another workout today. Okay, so today I'm going to be bringing you a full shoulders and arms workout. If you stick all the way around to the end, you're going to know every exercise, every rep we're doing, and you're going to be able to do it on your own as well. Okay, I've got my boy Tyson filming today. I'm going to throw his Instagram down. Go give him a follow. He works with me here at LA Fitness, right? He's got a great fitness page. And I really appreciate everyone watching the video here, but about 80% of you are not subscribed to the channel. So do me a favor, smash that subscribe button. It really helps the channel out, and you're not going to want to miss any of the awesome workouts we got coming at you, okay? So without further ado, we're going to get into it with the first exercise. Okay, what's up, guys? We're going to do some overhead press for our first exercise, but all the barbells are taken. So I'm just going to use this seated shoulder press here. Just a little exercise I kind of made up by switching the grip. I call it the Zeus press. I don't know if there's another name for it, but we're going to be doing about 3 or 4 sets of 30 reps to warm up. Oh, man. Okay guys, for the next exercise, what we're going to be doing is this seated shoulder lateral raise machine. Okay, we're going to be working in about 15 to 20 rep range on here, maybe even drop it down to 12, and then we're also going to be doing a face pull with the cable rope, right? And I'm going to explain the technique I'm using over that when I show you guys that exercise, but first I'm going to do a set here. Put the weight up a little bit next side. And so for this one, I've just got the cable set a bit lower, so I'm pulling on an upward angle. It's a little better for my posture and hits the rear delts a little better, I find. Okay, so we got a barbell. We're going to attempt some overhead press. Haven't worked out in a gym in over 3 months. Haven't done this exercise in a while, so I'm going to see how heavy we can take it. Okay, so obviously strict on that last attempt at 135, and I don't really have a set number of reps that I'm trying to do here, but first set you saw I did about 10, last set I did 1.5 and just ate it. So I took a little bit of a longer rest here, drank a little bit of water. I've been breathing to put more oxygen into the blood. Let's see if I can't get at least 3 reps here. Okay, 3. That's all. Oh, feels good on the ring. Do my shoulders look big?
Yeah, go.
Okay. Is it rolling?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So hey, we're about to do go into the arm section of the workout. For arms, I always like to superset biceps and triceps just to save on time, right? So got the preacher curl set up right here, and then over there we've got a tricep push down setup. So again, I haven't worked out properly in a while. I'm just kind of messing around with these weights and seeing what I can do. I want to do about 12 to 15 in these rep ranges. That weight's better. Okay, so I was able to get a couple heavier sets over there, which is really good. Now I've got these cables set up for biceps and triceps. I'm gonna go for about 12 to 15 reps. Okay guys, so we're gonna wrap it up with this last exercise. We're gonna do seated preacher curls on the machine, and there's a tricep machine over there that we're using as well, okay? So we're gonna do 20 reps here, try to get as much of a pump as we can, force as much blood into those muscles to finish off the workout, okay?
There's nothing sacred.
We're going to be using this machine because the one we were going to use is taken, but that's what happens when you don't leave your water bottle there. I don't know about the weight. Okay guys, and that's gonna wrap up the workout. I hope you guys enjoyed everything. Please drop a comment down and let me know kind of what your favorite part of the workout here was. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, there's gonna be a subscribe button popping up here somewhere. There's just a couple more links to more videos too, so check out the rest of the videos and have a good day.